FarmChem has a full lineup of DEF nozzles that will fit your customers' needs. The DEF magnetic nozzle may be the best choice when there is a chance DEF could be accidentally transferred into a fuel tank. The DEF mag nozzle will prevent that by only opening when it is inserted into John Deere's magnetic misfill prevention collar. Magnetic misfill prevention collars are now standard on most John Deere equipment. This nozzle will automatically shut off when the DEF tank is full. Next, the stainless steel auto nozzle is an excellent, high-quality option for dispensing DEF. The auto shutoff feature speaks for itself, and the all-stainless construction makes this a premium choice. The hybrid automatic shutoff nozzle has a great combination of features. This nozzle still comes with the coveted automatic shutoff feature, however, it is designed with a poly body and a stainless steel spout, making it lighter weight and a more affordable option to keep in mind. The poly manual nozzle is an inexpensive option to dispense DEF. It comes with a hold-open latch for longer dispenses. Make FarmChem your one-stop shop for all your DEF equipment needs, and let us help you grow your bulk DEF business by helping your customers with their DEF needs. Order DEF nozzles and other equipment on jddef.com or by calling our FarmChem John Deere line at 855-453-4333. For more information, you can visit our Dealer Resource Center in the Expo Bulk DEF booth and download additional materials.